In this video, I'll show you how to buy stocks using the Interactive Brokers mobile app, step by step. If you're new to Interactive Brokers, I'll walk you through the entire process, from finding a stock to placing and reviewing your order. First, open the Interactive Brokers app and log into your account. Before buying anything, make sure you're using the correct account. Look near the top left corner of the screen and check which account is currently selected. This is especially important if you have multiple accounts, such as a tax-free savings account, registered retirement savings plan, or a regular investing account. Next, make sure you have enough funds available to make your purchase. Check your available cash and buying power before placing an order. Keep in mind that your buying power may be different from your actual cash balance, especially if you're using a margin account. Now, let's find the stock you want to buy. Tap the magnifying glass icon in the top right corner of the screen. In the search bar, type the ticker symbol or company name of the stock you want to purchase. For example, if you wanted to find Apple, you could search for Apple or enter its ticker symbol, AAPL. Select the correct stock from the search results. Make sure you choose the correct company and stock exchange, because similar ticker symbols can sometimes appear in the search results. Once you select the stock, you'll be taken to its main page. Here, you can see information such as the current stock price, price chart, and recent price movement. When you're ready to place an order, tap the Buy button near the bottom of the screen. This will open the Buy Order screen. Before continuing, double-check the account shown on this page and review your available buying power. Next, enter the number of shares you want to buy. As you enter the quantity, Interactive Brokers will show you an estimated cost for the order. Make sure you have enough available funds or buying power to cover the purchase. Next, choose your order type. For beginners, one common option is a limit order. With a limit order, you choose the maximum price you're willing to pay for each share. For example, if a stock is currently trading around $100 and you set your limit price to $100, your order can only execute at $100 per share or lower. However, a limit order is not guaranteed to fill. If your limit price is too far below the current market price, the stock may never reach your price, and your order could remain open. If you want a better chance of the order filling quickly, check the current market price and choose your limit price carefully. You may also see additional settings such as time in force. Time in force controls how long your order stays active. For example, a day order generally expires if it isn't filled by the end of the trading session. There may also be other advanced settings on this screen. If you're a beginner, you usually don't need to change advanced options unless you understand exactly what they do. Once you've entered your quantity, order type, and limit price, carefully review everything one more time. Then tap the preview button near the bottom right corner. The preview screen will show you the details of your order, including the number of shares you're buying and the estimated cost. Check the stock, account, quantity, order type, and price carefully before submitting anything. If everything looks correct, use the slider at the bottom of the screen to submit your buy order. Your order has now been placed. If you submitted a limit order at a price that can currently be matched in the market, it may fill very quickly. If the market price does not reach your limit price, the order may stay open until it can be filled, or until it expires or is cancelled. You can check your orders section to see whether the order has been filled, is still pending, or has been cancelled. And that's how you buy stocks using the Interactive Brokers mobile app. If this video helped you out, subscribe to Guides and Beyond for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching.